Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Polkadot tokens from your Tangem wallet to Revolut in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're building your investment portfolio or just cashing out, this step-by-step guide will make it easy and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need the Tangem Wallet app installed on your device, a funded Polkadot account in it, and a Revolut account that supports cryptocurrency transfers. Always double-check that your Revolut app is updated to the latest version for 2025 compatibility. It's crucial to avoid any glitches. Step 1. Open your Tangem Wallet app and navigate to your Polkadot holdings. Look for the Send or Transfer option, then select Polkadot from your wallet assets. You'll need to enter the amount you want to transfer, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Next, head over to Revolut. In the app, go to the Crypto section and select Add Funds or Receive Crypto. This will generate a unique Polkadot wallet address for Revolut. Copy this address carefully, as it's your key to a successful transfer. Now, back in Tangem Wallet, paste the Revolut address into the recipient field. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and any associated fees. Once you're confident, hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Depending on network congestion, this could take a few minutes to an hour in 2025, so grab a coffee and keep an eye on your transaction status. A quick tip: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication to protect against scams. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Polkadot Blockchain Explorer for updates. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Polkadot from Tangem Wallet to Revolut. It's a straightforward process that puts more control in your hands. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.